Hello friends, welcome to baby school. Today I will teach you how to draw umbrella in a very simple way. First I will write C. This time I will join the two sides in C by writing short C. This time I will draw two small standing lines on umbrella's head and join them. This time I will draw two big standing lines along with the standing line at the top. I will turn the standing line in a little round shape and then join it. Now I will join the end of the small C below from the middle of this cap. Once the umbrella is painted, I will color it. First I will paint red. This time I will paint it yellow. This time I will paint it sky. This time I will paint it light green. This time I will paint it violet. time I will paint it geranium red. This time I will paint the handle of the chest brown. Hey guys, if you like this video then please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for more videos and updates. Thanks for watching.